Sometimes I feel
Even
so
when I
tired.
smile, it feels hollow, like something is missing. I want to feel okay with myself. I wonder why I can't just believe in myself sometimes. Maybe learning to love myself is where it all begins. Every day, it feels like there's an invisible pressure weighing on me. Be as strong, perfect, fast. Everyone seems to expect more, and I try, but it's never enough. No one teaches you to be gentle with your own heart. Sometimes I just want to breathe and say, I am enough. Right now, I am enough. I compare myself constantly. Their success, their happiness, their confidence, and I feel like I'm always behind. But behind what? Someone else's life. Life is not a race. It's a journey. Failing hurts, yes, but it's proof I'm trying. I need to stop blaming myself for everything. I carry scars from words, from moments, from mistakes I wish I could erase. But these experiences made me who I am. Maybe the first step is acceptance. Accepting that I did what I could with what I knew at the time. I want to love myself. Not perfectly, not flawlessly. Duh. Acceptance means knowing I'm worthy. With my flaws, with mistakes. Maybe accepting myself is the start of real healing. Loving myself could be the beginning of inner peace. Being strong doesn't mean never fooling. It means being kind to myself when I do. It means taking a breath, choosing myself. Even when life is hard, I choose me. Even when I fail, I forgive myself and move forward. Even when everything feels heavy, I remind myself to love me. Life is chargeful of his small to grow. Every day I am kind to myself, I get closer to peace. No one can take my place. I am responsible for my own happiness. Loving myself is the start of everything good. Fear stops me, sometimes fear of failing, of being judged, of being rejected, but fear is part of life. If I don't step forward, nothing changes. Loving myself means being brave, even when I'm scared. It means trusting that I can get through hard times. I need quiet time to think, to understand myself. What makes me happy? I want to be a little kinder, even to my mistakes. Every breath, every moment I focus on myself is a step toward peace. Life is about learning. Every failure, every mistake is a lesson. I must stop blaming myself. I must stop letting others define my worth. Every day is a chance to improve, not to be perfect. If I love myself, the future feels brighter. Hope is believing in myself, even when everything feels dark. Every day is a chance for growth, calm, and happiness. I remind myself I am enough, even when everything feels broken. Loving myself is the beginning of everything. Through acceptance, through calm, through confidence, Every day I am kind to myself, my life changes. I learn to love myself, even on the hardest days. This is the start of real peace. Learning to love yourself changes everything.